Good morning, students. Let's start our today's class. Today we are going to study chapter 1 of civics of class 7 of NCERT book on equality. The first question was of question answer. In a democracy, why is universal adult franchising important? Universal adult franchising means that every person above the age of 18 have the right to vote. This is important to a democracy because it is based on the principle of equality. It does not discriminate on the basis of social or economic background. And the second question is reread the box on Article 15 and say two ways in which this article addresses inequality. This question answer is this article addresses inequality in the terms of access to shops, public places, of public entertainment, public restaurant, hotels, and etc. Or B. The use of well, tank, bathing huts, roads, and places of public resort maintained wholly or partly out of state funds of dedicated to the use of the general public. In what ways was Om Prakash Valmiki experience similar to that of Anaris? Both Om Prakash Valmiki and Anaris were subjected to discriminate. Om Prakash was not allowed to sit with other students in the classroom and was made to sweep the school and the playground only because he was a Dalit. Similarly, the Anaris were not given a flat in a locality where lived the people belonging to other religion than the year. The moment the landlady came to know about their name, she declined to rent the house. In both the cases, the dignity of a person is violated. And the fourth question, what do you understand by the term all persons were equal before the law? Why do you think it is important in a democracy? It means that every person from the president of the country to a domestic help like Kanta has to obey the same laws. No person can be discriminated against on the basis of their religion, race, caste, etc. It is the important in democracy so that no one may feel unequal. In a democratic country, there should be equality and everybody should be given equal importance. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get my more videos.